Hi guys, it's Friday. This is KedifentseMothibe here. Woo! We decided to do another mini video, but anyway, before I go into details, I just want to welcome you. If you are here for the first time, we really appreciate you, and please stay connected. Watch our video and let us know how you feel, or what is your comment or your advice on the video. If you are a returning subscriber, oh, we love you, and thank you so much for the support. And voila, yes, let's get into our wrap. So guys, I just decided to feature a Friday dinner. You know, we're having a wrap. I'm gonna serve it with some fries. Guys, everything is almost cooked, so it's just to prep the wrap. It's not to cook the wrap. So I'm just gonna share with you what I'm going to use in the wrap. Here we've got some chicken. I use the chicken nuggets, guys. I didn't have the chicken schnitzel, but it also works very well. And this is store-bought. I wouldn't say that, but you can also prepare one for yourself, which I'll be sharing very soon, how to do the chicken schnitzels and the chicken nuggets. And then here I've got my robots. I call it robots. So it's my peppers, red pepper. I've got my green pepper and my yellow peppers. I've got a chunk of onion. So this is one big onion and a small onion. And here my avos. Oopsie, my avos were like, you know, as you can see, it's some management. And then I've got my lettuce. And then I've got my wraps, guys. Like I said, it's everything almost store-bought here. So it's not how to cook, but it's how just to prepare. So this is what we're going to have for dinner. And then I've got my sauces here. So I've got a spicy tikka sauce. And then I also have a sweet chili sauce. Yes. So let's get into the frying. Yes guys, so I'm gonna fry the onion. My boys don't enjoy raw onion, so I'm gonna just not really deep fry or get them to be brown, just to fry them for like 2-3 minutes. And then I'm gonna add in the peppers. And then I'm gonna just use a seasoner, and then we are ready to go. So I enjoy onion, you know, it's got so many health benefits, and once it's fried, it's actually very sweet. Yeah. Yes guys, you can see my onions are looking great. So I'm gonna go in and put in my peppers, which I'm also gonna fry them for just minutes. So I'm gonna add in my garlic and pepper seasoning just for the taste, and yeah, we enjoy it like that. It's really optional. You don't have to, you know, because I would have these raw on my wrap, but because of my kids. Okay guys, we had a glitch. My son, I don't know where his mind was. Cameraman, can you be here please? So anyway, what I was saying is I add a bit of seasoning on my veggies, on my peppers and onions, and I fry them a bit because my kids can't stomach them raw, you know. So but then when they are like a bit fried, then they can actually enjoy them. And I'm also gonna go in with the spicy tikka sauce, about a tablespoon. This looks good, guys. Yes, guys, while the peppers are cooking, oh sorry, they're actually done. So I've just off the stove and just left them there for just a few minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my wrap. And this is what I do. I'm gonna put the avo as my base, and yeah. Yes, now I'm done with the avo for the 3 musketeers. So guys, I've just put my kitchen roll paper to dry out the water, as I've already pre-washed my veggies. So I'm just gonna add in my lettuce. You don't have to put a lot, otherwise the wrap doesn't close. So I think this is enough. Guys, I like adding my sauce, my sweet and sour sauce on my veggies, so that I can also have it there, but don't overdo it, not unless you like, you know, too much sauce. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my peppers and my onions. And yep, I'm gonna add in my chicken. You add anyhow, any amount, but remember you must give room for your wrap to be able to close. Otherwise, if you put a lot, then you can't actually close your wrap. So, and I thought I actually bought the large, and apparently this is large, but it's not big enough for me, but yeah, we'll manage. So here we go, guys. Then I'm gonna top it up again with the sauce. It must be nice and juicy. We're gonna have these with some baked fries. Yeah, so this is it, guys. If you have enjoyed the video till this time, kindly subscribe, show us some love, show us some support. We're striving to get to 300 subscribers, so we love you and thank you for those that are with us always. I'll now show you the end product, like what we are going to chow.
Action.
Yes, guys, this is my wrap. I'm so hungry. I so want to munch in. And this is some baked fries with some ketchup. We call it tomato sauce in South Africa, by the way, not ketchup, sorry. And yeah, I'm just loving how healthy the wrap is, and we're gonna munch right now. See you in the next video, and really, if you have enjoyed, kindly subscribe, and we'll